Basically what you would want to do with the Rode, you could do with the 7 Rhymes. No dramas. So I'll run through a few specs. This is the iRay DW20. It's a 2.4 gig dual channel wireless microphone. And like I said before, in the kit you get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, as well as 2 lapel microphones. What I really like about this unit is you do have a few more options than the Rode. You have a few more functional buttons on the actual unit itself where you can adjust the volume, you can also mute it, and you have a few different options including recording in mono or stereo mode, and also a safety mode which will record a backup audio track with a reduced -6 decibel recording. So what you're hearing now is directly off the 7 Rhymes transmitter. I think it sounds really good, and straight out of the bat it did sound very clear and very crisp. Now that might have something to do with the denoiser that's automatically built into these things. Now I will have to check to see if you can actually turn that function off if it is a negative, but I think it's just part of their technology, and hey, I'm all for denoising. Noise is terrible when you're recording audio. Now it does come in this cool little case. Everything is very well presented, very well made. What I do love is, which is different to the Rode actually, is this cool little cable. Now it might not seem like much, but with the Rode you do have all these USB-C charging USB cables. So you have your USB-A that goes to a USB-C, and you have 3 of them. So you have 3 separate cables that you need 3 separate USB-A inputs for, which is really quite bloody annoying. So this, I love it. This is 1 cable, 1 USB type A to 3 USB-Cs. Get out of town. Something so small can be so bloody cool and handy, especially when you just want to chuck them on charge. You don't have to worry about turning them over. You know, I've only got 1 cable, so, you know, whatever. It's a small thing, but they've obviously thought about it, and I love it. I guess the biggest deciding factor for people out there whether they will choose something like this is A, the price, and B, the quality. Now, the price is a no-brainer for me. If you are looking to save some dollars, this is a great little unit. It's light, it's portable, it does exactly what the Rode would do. It just doesn't have that name behind it yet. Now, also just want to mention that we are filming this whole video using the 7 Rhymes system. So we have the receiver plugged into the A7S III, and I'm using a transmitter here with the lapel on my neck.